In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. If you open Facebook and don't see Marketplace, or you see a message saying it isn't available to you, follow along and we'll walk through a few quick checks and a reliable way to contact Facebook. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner to open the menu. Look for the Marketplace option and tap it. If it opens normally, you're good to go. If you don't see it or you still get the not available message, stay with me for the next steps. Head back and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. In the Settings page, choose Account Center, scroll down to Personal Details, then open Date of Birth and tap Edit. Carefully review your birthday and make sure it's accurate. Facebook requires you to be at least 18 for Marketplace access, so if your account shows that you're under 18, Marketplace will not appear. If you make a correction, save your changes. Next, return to your home screen and open the Play Store. Search for Facebook, open the Facebook app page, and check whether an update is available. If you see Update, tap it, wait for the download to finish, and then open Facebook again. Running the latest version often resolves availability and menu issues. If you're on an iPhone, do this same check in the App Store. If Marketplace is still missing, report the problem directly to Facebook from inside the app. Tap Help and Support, then choose Report a Problem. Tap Continue to report a problem. When you see the Include option, turn it on and select Marketplace as the product so the report goes to the right team. In the description box, clearly explain what you're seeing, such as Marketplace isn't available on my account, and mention any recent changes you made. If you can, record your screen to show the issue and attach the video, then submit your report. At this point, you'll need to wait for Facebook to review your account and respond. Reviews can take time, but submitting a clear report and ensuring your details are correct gives you the best chance of a quick fix. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Facebook tips and tutorials.